We consume thousands of these every year, but have you ever paused to think about the journey? It's not just a snack, it's a masterpiece of industrial engineering. Welcome to the Forge Vista Deep Dive. Today, we step inside the high-tech plant where raw green bananas are transformed into the perfect golden crisp chips you love. From the moment they arrive at the facility to the final crunch, we will show you every single step. This is the art of precision manufacturing. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind this incredible snack. The process begins at the source, but not every banana makes the cut. Only the firmest, starch-rich raw bananas are carefully selected for this process. Once they reach the facility, they undergo a rigorous, multi-stage cleaning cycle. Automated, high-pressure water jets remove every speck of dust and debris from the surface. It is the foundation of quality that defines our final product and ensures the highest standards of hygiene. Now, witness the precision in action. These bananas are fed into industrial-grade, multi-blade slicers. Within seconds, a single banana is transformed into dozens of perfectly uniform slices. Each slice is exactly 2 millimeters thick. Not a fraction more, not a fraction less. Why this specific thickness? Because it is the golden ratio for achieving that signature snap without burning. It is math, physics, and manufacturing, working in perfect harmony. This is the most critical stage, the thermal transformation. The slices enter a massive, continuous flow deep fryer. The temperature is micromanaged by sensors to the exact degree. As the moisture evaporates, the natural starches undergo a beautiful process of caramelization, giving the chips their iconic golden glow. Watch closely. The sound you hear is the moisture escaping, leaving behind only the pure golden crunch. Fresh out of the heat, they move to the high-speed cooling conveyor. Here, they are showered with a precise, measured blend of seasonings. This is not just dumping spices. It is an automated cloud seeding process, ensuring that every single chip carries the exact same flavor profile. Then comes the final quality checkpoint, where high-resolution cameras scan for any defects. Only the flawless survive to reach your home. Finally, nitrogen flushing keeps them garden fresh, sealing the crunch until the very moment you open the bag. From the farm to your hands, it's a journey of innovation. Manufacturing is all about turning nature into technology. You've just witnessed the science of snacks. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of manufacturing, subscribe to Forge Vista and join us next time as we uncover another hidden process.